Now add your sticker sheet into your printer and print the sticker. You should see your registration marks on the corner and your sticker images on the sticker side. Now prep your Silhouette machine with the sticker sheet on the mat. Back to the computer and choose the sticker paper white option, or what you feel best fits your sticker sheet. Then I'll adjust the force to number 2 and leave everything else. Adjusting the force will simply make the blade go in less, so it cuts the sticker just on top. But if you want the sticker to be cut all the way, you can just leave it at its original setup. Okay, now go ahead and send to your Silhouette. These are perfect to make for small businesses. I love to make different stickers to add to my packaging. I've also linked this design for you below the video, so you could feel free to use it also. Thank you so much for following along.